How to fix Grubhub Driver login error. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the error. Next, open up the App Store and then in the search bar search for Grubhub and then make sure it is updated. If not, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, you need to go ahead and simply force close the application and then reopen it again. You can even restart your phone and then try logging in again. Now, double check that you are entering the correct email address and password, and if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on Forgot Your Password and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. If you're still unable to log in, the issue may be due to a temporary server outage or an account-related problem. In that case, contact Grubhub Driver support for further assistance. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.